Alright, so... you almost done, Earl? Alright. Alright, come on. Come on. Shit. There's these little... Like right here, you can see there's a steel pipe that comes out of the ground. Or a rebar. It used to be part of some type of little stair system, but it is washed away. And the only thing that's left are the rebar. So, right now, it is Saturday night, April 12th. Excuse me. It's a little after 9 p.m. And it has been raining all this week. Well, most of it. It's been raining for the past few days. It's rained, it was raining Friday, and there was some off and on showers Thursday. So there's been a lot of rain recent. And with these being clay pit ponds that are completely fed slowly by rainwater, this appears to be around the highest level of water that I've seen. Now, right now it is after 9 p.m., so it's really late and it's dark, and I don't plan on going very far right now because it is raining and it's dark. It's kind of a little bit of a fuck around and find out type of darkness and rain, so not really gonna do that. Come on, Earl. Come on. Come on, Earl. Come on. But what I will do, now up this hill here, this was before COVID, there were signs around here saying that the land, that was kind of creepy, that the land here was maintained by the locals, and there used to be seats here, like actual garden seats or little tree stumps that were made in the seats. They're not here anymore. I was going to try to do at least a couple owl calls, see if I got a response, and then I was going to call it a night. Now, I'm only doing it here because the last time, and I went further down that trail over there, I heard somebody call out, and that got a little close for comfort. Like I said, I'm going to do some owl calls real quick and try to see if I get a response. Other than that, I'm going to keep it rather short tonight because it's late, it's very dark, and it's raining. So I don't want to stay here too long than I should. All right, here we go. Don't know if that was an owl call or the tree squeaking. Don't eat the grass, Earl. Earl, stop. Alright. We're going to try... It's a horned owl, as far as I know, and it should be more like... Hoo! Hoo, hoo, hoo! Hoo! Hoo, hoo, hoo! Hoo! Hoo, hoo! Hoo! Hoo, hoo, hoo! I think I got a dog bark, but that's about it. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try the screech owl again. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got some activity in the water. That was cool. What is this, like some B-movie horror film? Okay. I got a bird response. But it wasn't the one I was looking for. It was more like a type of sound effect. You alright, Earl? Well, I've been going for about 8 minutes. I'm going to call it a night. Come on. I have to say, this mag flashlight, specifically for red, it's one of the best purchases I've ever made. I am absolutely amazed with its brightness, its quality, and how far it travels. If you are looking for a flashlight for camping that doesn't affect your night vision, this is it. This is the best, one of the best flashlights I've ever purchased. If not the best. It is the best. Yeah, it really is. All right. Bye.